Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz Tutorials. In this video we will be learning how to find or construct root 2 on the number line, and this we will be doing with using the protractor. In a previous video, the link to which you will be able to find in the description box, we have constructed root 2 but without using the protractor. That means we have constructed the perpendicular using our compass. So if you want to construct your or locate your route to using the compass, then the link to that you will be able to find in the description box below. Otherwise, have a look at this video, see how we construct route 2 on the lumber line. So first of all, what we need to do is construct a line. Okay, and in constructing a line, you can either construct it using the centimeter side of a scale, or the inches side of a scale. Now I would be using the inches side of the scale because the diagram that I want, or the figure that I would like to construct, I want it a little bit big, so the units I would like it to be in inches so that they are spaced out and our figure looks a bit better, spacious. Okay, so it's going to draw a line first. Here you go. So I've drawn a line, and then what I'll do is uh, from here I will mark this points as being this. I'll take as 0 point, then I'll take this as 1, and I'll take this as 2, or I can take this as 0. I'll just take this as 0, 1, 2. This will be our 0, positive 1, 2. Remember, this is a number line, so on a number line you also have negative numbers. Okay, but we are interested in positive root 2, so I will focus only on the positive side of it, which is towards the right hand side of 0. So there's no need to put 3 over here, just till 2 is more than enough. Okay, now we are interested in just one unit. It could be 1 centimeter for you if you are taking 1 centimeter as your unit. So I'll take this, and from here we will, from 1 we will draw a perpendicular with the help of a protractor. So this way you hold the protractor where the center should match where it shows as 1. Mark this as 1, this is 0, this is 2, and where it is 1 I'll hold the protractor, and we have to draw a perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degrees to 1, which is somewhere over here. Okay, and all I need to do now is draw a line from this point that we have marked to 1. Okay, something like this. Okay, so in this way we have got 90 degrees, and I can mark this as 90 degrees over here. Okay, and then with the help of a compass and a scale, I can, on no need of a scale also, all I need to do is take the marking from this point to this point. We will get 1 unit once again, and I'll show you why I'm taking that as well. And I've taken 1 unit here, you can see, keeping the pointer on 1. Okay, I will draw an arc that cuts this perpendicular line this way. Okay, and now wherever this arc that is formed cuts this perpendicular line, I'll mark this point, and I'll join this 0 to that point with the help of a ruler or a scale, this way. And what we'll do is we'll mark this as A, B, and we'll mark this as C, where the 0 is. You can mark it over here as well. Since 0 is here, I'll keep it. So this is not O, this is 0. Okay, 0, 1, and I mark this point as B, this is A, and this is C. And why I have marked this, I'll show it to you. Lines continue, so I'll mark these arrows. Now you must be knowing Pythagoras theorem, and according to Pythagoras theorem, which applies only to right angle triangles, okay, and we have a right angle triangle here. So Pythagoras theorem applied to triangle ABC will look something like this. AC square, which becomes the hypotenuse, the longest side, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, which is AB square plus BC square, this way. Now BC or CB we know is 1 unit from here to here. So this will put 1 whole square, and we have also taken this as 1 unit AB, right? So we'll mark this as we'll put this as 1 whole square. Now 1 whole square is 1 plus, for the sign, plus 1, that gives us 2. So that means AC square, I'll bring this down, is equal to 2, and this implies that AC will be equal to root 2, which means this AC is nothing but root 2, but we don't want the root 2 here, we want the root 2 on this number line. Okay, and remember the value of root 2 is somewhere like 1.44. The root 2 should be somewhere like 1.44, which means that it should come always before 2, somewhere before 1.5, so somewhere in the middle between 1 and 2. Now all we need to do in order to get root 2 over on this number line is that we need to measure this, because this is equal to root 2. So I'm just going to measure. Here you go, here's the measurement. Okay, you can clearly see. Now in order to construct root 2, all I need to do is, with the help of the measurement that we have taken, we have to keep the pointer on 0 and not on 1. Okay, we have to keep the pointer on 0, ensure once again that it meets the markings over here, and then slowly bring the marker down, slowly bring the pencil down, and wherever the arc that you will draw cuts this number line, just make an arc over there so that the two intersect, and where the arc intersects this line, just mark this point, and this will be your root 2. Now how do we know that is root 2? Because the distance from here to here, which is root 2, is the same as the distance from here to here. How do we know that? Because see, when we draw an arc, we are actually looking to draw a circle. Okay, we are looking to draw a circle, and this becomes the radius of that circle, and this part also becomes the radius of the circle. So radii of a circle are always equal, so this measurement root 2 should also be equal to this measurement of root 2, and that's how we can locate root 2 on the number line. So you see, this is an easier way to construct root 2 with the help of a protractor. You don't have to construct the perpendicular line with the help of your compass, and just 90 degrees here should do the job. Okay, and it is also a shorter way of locating root 2 on the number line. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you for watching, and keep watching for more such videos.